Here's the Sedum Joy. We are in October and it is looking fabulous. Look at these flower bracts on the top. I'm going to take some stems, hang them upside down, and see if they'll dry out. They look great. So we'll just take this one down here. Oh, almost fell over. Okay, we'll take this one down here. I'll take that one, and we'll take that one. Just a couple. Okay, I just tied a knot around there. We're gonna hang them up here, just so they're hanging there, and hopefully we'll see how they do. I'm out here in my greenhouse. I have this autumn joy that I cut off, and it's hanging upside down. Back up so you can see it's right next to my banana tree here, but it's been hanging here for like 2-3 months, maybe 2 months. Look at this. I was shocked when I saw this today. It's got new growth coming out of the stems. I mean, the stems are just like air stems. It's just on a string hanging here. That's amazing. Tiny little plant growth. You can cut these 2 joints right here. Right there. Oh, there it goes. Fell down there. All right. You can see coming out of where there was a leaf node, it's got new growth coming. So we're going to try and see if we can root it into some dirt. 2 separate nodes right across from each other. I'm going to try and split it right down. Let's get it closer. All right. Start with that one, and then, oh, look at that. All right, so now I have 2 separate sides of the stem. I'm gonna put those in dirt. This one here, I'm just gonna leave as it is, but I think I'll trim it a little closer. I lost a leaf. That's all right. 1 leaf. Now, there's 3 little things there. We'll grab some soil. Just 1 pot. We're gonna go like this. And I'm just going to water those in a little bit. There. So it's just damp now. We'll push them down onto the soil itself. And we're just gonna leave them like that, out in the open. They seem to be doing fine out here in the greenhouse, so we'll just leave them, see what happens. And the rest of these over here, I'm just gonna leave these and see what happens. I mean, I don't know what to do. It's new to me. We're out here in the spring. Here's a good rule of thumb. If it's brown, cut it down. Let me just show you this. This is the flower head from last fall, and it's they got to come off. So just take a little time in the spring. I leave them all winter. Just cut these dead flower stalks off, and it'll look great all summer long. And then these flower stalks will come back in the fall, and you'll have a nice little flower. There you go. A little cleanup. We are in July. It's just starting to throw up some flower bracts at the top. Looking really good. Probably about 2 feet across, about 2 feet tall. Very nice. Autumn Joy. These Sedum Autumn Joy, I thought they would be harder to grow, but they're pretty darn easy. I mean, look at the size of this. This came off of just a nothing tiny little nub. Here we are, July. Look at that. It worked. It's even putting flower sprouts on. You gotta like that.